Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Zilliqa. We're talking about ZIL token because recently they had a serious issue go down on their chain, actually a temporary shutdown. We'll talk about how they got relaunched again and they got their mainnet back up, and more, a little bit about the CEO actually as well, and we'll talk about some of the comments that CEO made about Ethereum. So stick around to the end of the video. I got a quick update for you guys. We'll take a peek at the markets and then some. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you're looking to make a trade, take advantage of the free money in the link down below. When you sign up for FEMAX and you open a trade, you can get $4,100. You can put that towards a free trade. So guys, do not miss out on that opportunity. But let's take a peek here at the charts here for the day. When you look at the crypto market cap, you're currently looking at $1.079 billion for a, trillion dollars, excuse me. We are officially above that $1 trillion threshold. We have been for a little bit here. And August so far has been pretty rough. And we'll talk more about Bitcoin in another video. But basically, the markets and the FUD out there is very, very strong right now. But let's just take a peek here. I mean, pricing on Bitcoin, 23.1, so that's good. 1,600 for Ethereum. And when you scroll down and you go all the way down to, what is it now, number 75 token, Zilliqa, currently sitting at 4 cents and a little bit of change there. So not even quite 5 cents. The question is, can we get to $1? I think one day we can, but let's talk a little bit about what's going on with Zilliqa right now and some of the stories here in the market. So Zilliqa is currently generating a weekly bullish divergence for the second time in history. You know, you guys got to take this with a grain of salt, but this is some TA. They're saying there's resistance at 45 cents, which would be a very, very intense pump. But this just goes to show you there are some speculators out there. There are some people that are looking at the charts and seeing basically an opportunity for this thing to test 45 cents at some point, and they're talking about that. So some people are finding the bullish opportunity here. And when you look at this chart, I mean, this is a really great chart because it looks like it is hitting this bottom here. So we'll see if we can kind of get back up to these price levels. So that'll yet be determined, but pretty exciting news. And there was another article I found that I want to share with you guys where the ZIL founder actually is explaining why Ethereum is better than other L1s. And that's really interesting. Now, it is very important to note that the ZIL founder actually stepped down from the Zilliqa project. So Amrit Kumar identifies innovators as copycats, and this is right as Zilliqa is actually turning 5. So it was launched on July 31st of 2017. That's when it went live. And a quote from this Zilliqa founder: "Constant innovation has kept Ethereum alive for all these years despite the issues. Most, if not all, other L1s stopped innovating soon after they launched and instead started mimicking short-term success strategies. Bitcoin cannot and should not be like other L1s." Which is, well said. But what's really interesting is that he actually stepped down from his role on May 29th this year. So just recently he stepped down, and now he's kind of coming out and siding with Ethereum. And I totally understand that, because Ethereum, if you guys don't know it already, Ethereum is king. It has the network effect. It's proved the test of time. Zilliqa is turning 5, so it's here to stay. Now, clearly, Amrit Kumar left that project, so his faith in the project might not be what it once was. But honestly, that doesn't mean much to me. Might have just gotten out and it's kind of sitting on the sidelines. It has some ideas. There's going to be a lot of projects that are competitive to Ethereum, but I actually kind of like seeing that somebody that was the CEO of this project that loves Ethereum was a part of Zilliqa. So something to note, guys. So keep it in mind. Zilliqa is a project that is similar to Ethereum, and it could be testing, according to this article right here, potentially 45 cents. I think that's kind of a far stretch, but we have been going down in the markets here for a while, and I do believe that it is time for a pump for a coin like Zilliqa and the altcoins. We've actually seen some of the exchange tokens rallying lately, but I mean, look at this chart. This thing is primed and ready to make another move back up. I mean, if we can get even to that 18, 20 cent level. Wow. I mean, that would be fantastic. That's like a 4 or 5x from here. So that would be absolutely fantastic. So honestly, that would be my next spot. Some people are talking about this, this spot up here, 23 cents. I don't know where they're really getting that 45 cent level, but I'm just showing you guys there are a lot of opportunities for, people to look at some TA, find some numbers. I'm going to be a little more conservative. I think that you could see, a 20 cent Zilliqa here in the next 6 to 12 months potentially. But as I've said in my previous videos, I think that there is some time before the next true bull run occurs. Let me know what you guys think about this project. If you haven't done so already, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And guys, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget, guys, this is the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Thanks for watching, and do not forget, please don't forget to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.